Well, guys, I am about to head out on the V-Strom, and this is the first time riding it after my friend crashed it. I'm about to go fix it. I got parts coming, but he laid it down, broke my tire lever, or my clutch lever. Yeah, not bad. I thought my friend did some more damage. It doesn't seem like there's anything really wrong with the bike other than the clutch lever and the blinker.
I laid my buddy's bike down. So always make sure you borrow a bike from somebody who is a real rider, who has put 50,600 miles on it, who's already laid it down in, several of the 50 states in the United States. So he's not overly concerned like some people would be if their garage queen got laid down. So my buddy's gonna need a new blinker. He's gonna need a new clutch handle. Luckily I sent him a picture of this and he said that was already there.
We have it. This is the Ride It Forever. It comes in a nice little package. Yeah, it looks pretty high quality. This is the brake lever. It's got like a These were pretty cheap, and you can get them from the link in the description of this video, so I can get some affiliate money. So click on that and get yourself some of these levers. They're pretty high quality. Very light. And I think that's pretty much it. Now put these on and see how they feel out in the real world. You're using a 10mm socket and a flathead. So let's get to work. So it's a pretty simple removal. You have your 10mm and you put it at the bottom here and you just remove it like this. And you can use your flat screwdriver, and that's the nut, and it's still on here, so just remove the lever. It helps to kind of push it in too, and then just use your finger and the rod will come out, and now this should pop out. That's it. Fit this thing in here and hopefully this will fit without any problems. And look at that, it looks better already. It is kind of short though. So you're going to have to take the existing rod that you took out, unbolt the nut, just push it in, and hopefully this will be a simple, there we go, that's through there. And you can kind of just start. So the nut or the bolt has gone through. Now I'm just threading it underneath. Now I'm going to take my 10mm wrench and I am going to tighten it. So this is some adjustability here, and six is further out and 1 is, it goes in. Looks pretty good. I like it. Let's go to the clutch side. And here is the clutch side, and this is the part that broke when my friend laid it down on the left side. Kind of curved the clutch all the way in. So it's the same process. You want to peel back this little bit of plastic. You don't have to take it as far. But this one is got a clutch cable. So it's the same process. This one is a little bit similar, but it's a 10mm, and then you just remove it. Guess you don't have to remove this rod here. I thought you did. And that's it. So the cable is out, and you can inspect your cable, make sure it's not broken or anything like that. So that's what the lever looks like, and it's pretty much done. Let's get the other one. This is where the cable will go in. So let's see how you want to pull it out, and then this should get your bolt out again, and this time we're just going to push in this. I'm just going to use this adjustable wrench like this to hold this while I go underneath with 10mm and tighten it. And it is on. Starts right up. The clutch feels pretty good. It feels heavy. Let's see if the brakes work. Everything seems to be working. You guys can see the levers are on. They look pretty good. I like how it looks. It's not bad for $36. I thought they would be much more expensive, and it looks better than stock, so this is kind of like a nice modification to do. The clutch is a little bit tight. I'm going to loosen this up, and the way you do it is you just use this to adjust it. Alright guys, I am going to try out the new chain and the levers. Man, so far the levers feel pretty darn good. And the chain is nice and quiet. It just gives it a little bit of an edge. Now you can use like 2 fingers very easily to adjust stuff, and it's a matching sort of thing. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I am going to tackle on some new projects. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.